What we have here is the vapor canister purge valve solenoid in a 2002 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to unclip this connector first. Actually, I did that secondly. I've already removed the hose off of the canister. And next I'm going to remove the 8mm screw that's right here on the left side. And the reason why I'm doing all of this is because I got the P0440 vacuum leak code whenever I ran the diagnostics. And take that out. Now I've already removed this hose that was connected to the top of there. And all you do is you wiggle it out now. Now what I've seen other people do in videos to test these is to blow through them. But I was trying to blow through it and I wasn't getting very much sound. But I also saw one person connect a hose to the bottom of it there where you see that blue seal. And put the hose underwater. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and put this partially underwater in a glass to see if there's bubbles that come out. If bubbles come out, then that's an indication that this is remaining open and the computer is not opening and close it. So I got a glass of water here and I'm going to go ahead and put the bottom of it there and blow through it. This reminds me of my drinking days. A little breathalyzer test there to check to see if it works. So we got bubbles, so that's an indication that it remains open. I've also ordered a gas cap prior to running this test. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for the solenoid to come in, switch that out, and see if the check engine light goes away. And if not, then I'll try the gas cap. So be sure to hit the subscribe button, like this video, hit the notification bell, so that way you get notified when I upload the video that lets you know the results of changing this part out.